Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast today. Today, we have our very first special guest, Dr. Wayne.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Wayne, dermatologist. I think that's enough for an introduction from me.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about something very important to keep our skin healthy. Sunscreen and UV light. So first of all, doctor, what exactly is UV light?
In short, it's known as ultraviolet light. But if you want to know UV light, it's just UVA, UVB, and UVC. Because UVC is being filtered by our ozone layer, so we are not afraid of UVC for now. But in terms of UVA, UVB, they can have a lot of different effects towards our skin. So we have to protect our skin from getting to this UVA and UVB then.
Okay, so how would that affect our skin?
Short term, if you are exposed to sun for a longer period of hours, you just get redness, so sunburn. That is short term, because that is mainly caused by UVB. But in the long run, if you are talking about aging, so UVA causes a lot of aging. You want to talk about pigmentation, yes, UVA as well. And most importantly, they also cause skin cancer. So besides being youthful just by protecting yourself from the sun, you are actually protecting yourself from getting skin cancer.
So it's actually more than just getting the skin tan.
Yes, so a good thing in our society nowadays with the Korean waves, everyone do not like to get under the sun. But there are still people who do not know how to protect themselves from the sun.
So how often should we apply sunscreen?
Simple answer, I will tell my patients at least 3 times a day. That's what I tell my patients. But if you are under the sun or you are in an activity that you are sweating or for when you are swimming, then it's almost every 2 hourly.
Even when under like cloudy conditions?
Yes, if you look at the clouds, they do not filter all of the UV rays. So mainly they might filter a bit of the UVB, but UVA still will land on your skin. So yes, even if it's cloudy, you are supposed to wear your sunscreen.
Okay, but how do we know which sunscreen to choose? You know, there are so many options in the market.
In short, I would ask everyone to choose something which has SPF 50. If you look at SPF, they are mainly it is there mainly to target the UVB. So if you are looking at how to target UVA, some sunscreen will have that PA 3+, 4+. But do note, not all sunscreen are created equally. Some will target the lower range of the UVA, some will target the long UVA, some will target more of a visible light. Of course, all of them adds on as a benefit of how do you protect your skin from. But in short, SPF 50 will do.
Okay, so does SPF 100 important?
Actually, not really important. If you look at the graph of how SPF is being constructed, it just means that SPF 50 means that you take 50 times more than your usual time to get a sunburn. That's it. So 50 to 100 times, I don't think it makes a difference, especially when the graph, and usually you have no SPF 100.
I see. Okay, thank you so much for
You have
sharing.
but it doesn't make sense. As long as you reapply your sunscreen, that's good enough.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing.
All right.
And thank you everyone for listening. So everyone, remember, sunscreen isn't just for daily and beaches. It is also important for our daily skin health. So stay tuned for our next session and we will see you again.